Good morning. Personal presentation. My name is Marjorie Murcia Orjuela. I have 43 years old. I work in a miscellaneous. I am a single mother. My stature is of 155 centimeters. My weight is of 68 kilos. Like to walk with my daughter. My favorite food, the spaghetti with chicken. Living in the Líbano, Tolima. Comparative adjective. This room is bigger than the girls. This room is less colorful than the girls. In the room, the bed is wider than the girls. The girls' room looks happier than the other. The lamps are more numerous in this than the girls. In the room, the view out more beautiful than of the girls. Thank you.